engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
The day is 16th of July, 1969. Saturn V, the first rocket to carry a manned mission to the moon, leaves the Kennedy Space Center at 9:32 local time. 5 days later, the entire world holds its breath as Neil Armstrong becomes the first human to set foot on the moon. The world is celebrating. People who made this great achievement possible will always be remembered. Among them is the chief architect of the Apollo Saturn V rocket, Wernher von Braun. To most, he's NASA's rocket genius. But for the few out there, a person behind the project that could have ended the world if the Nazis weren't stopped.
Tritt für mich ein, so wie ich für dich eingetreten bin.
Wernher von Braun's story begins some half a century earlier. In interwar Germany, although born into an old Prussian family, instead of diligently studying for school, he spends hours observing the stars.
When I grow up, I will go to the moon.